County Materials is a good fit for veterans, as a family is very veteran orientated and they do care about their veterans. What I like working for County Materials is I enjoy working with the different people here in the office and the opportunity to work with different customers in this growing industry. And it's rewarding to be a part of a division that's growing so rapidly. I was a sergeant in the United States Marine Corps. I served 5 years active and 3 years inactive. The skills I learned in the military translate today. The diversity and groups of people that I worked with, not only from the Marines, I worked with daily, but also being deployed and working with different cultures. We trained with the Malaysian Army, so being able to communicate properly throughout the military translates directly to being a project manager. County Materials is a good fit for veterans, as a family is very veteran orientated and they do care about their veterans. That is shown throughout the years, even my 2 years of being here. I do believe that County Materials is a good place for any veteran that's willing to be challenged. I think the best advice that you can always tell anybody is don't be afraid to ask questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question. The only dumb question is the question that's not asked. When I started at County, I had no clue about precast at all and had no knowledge. Within 2 years, I am able to successfully run a project through without any questions. When I hear that statement as "we are County Materials," I think it reiterates that, again, it's a family-owned company and they want us to be one team, one family, working together to meet customer expectations.